Hey, what's going on out there? It's Jonathan Glazer here, and I'm back with another video review or product review. This one of Affiliate Traffic Lab by Glenn Kosky. So, um, you can click the link below at any time to get a further review. It'll go to my blog post, and you can check it out, see a thorough review. But this is pretty cool. Little software that he put together. I just was going through it, and it's going to help a lot of people get into the video marketing arena, and that's where the most powerful form of marketing is. 80% of businesses are doing video marketing, so this is going to overcome that challenge that many people have, or the fear that many people have, which is one, not knowing what to do to market a product, and two, getting in front of the camera, because most people are a bit intimidated. It takes some getting used to, but if you're just getting started, or you just want to find an alternative way to market your product, but also tap into this powerful market, this is going to be perfect for you. So what it does is it allows you to create videos using the sales page of JVZoo products, and I'm going to show you just one sec how that works. We're just going to go through this sales page real quick. So you can also see my bonuses that I put together below in the blog post. So it's a pretty to the point title here. There's no hype or nothing like that. That's what I like about Glenn's products. He just keeps it to the point. It's a newbie-friendly cloud-based software, and it's going to create some traffic-generating videos. Another way for you to get traffic to the JVZoo products. So it's 100% completely newbie-friendly. It's cloud-based. And as it says here, there's 3-in-1 marketing suite that gets free traffic, leads, and sales. You're going to see that in just a second. And it's going to help you rank #1 on Google and YouTube. And you don't need to know any type of techie skills or anything like that. Simply plug in and play. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the back office. I'm going to show you that real quick, and then we'll wrap this up. So here is the back office. So this is everything you're going to get access to. You're going to want to start here at the training. It's going to show you how to set everything up, so that you're going to be able to post directly to YouTube and all that. So that'll take a bit of time. That's probably one of the parts that I didn't like, was I had to actually but it in the long run it works. It's worth it, but it just takes a few moments, so be prepared to give about 10 to 15 minutes. So I know some people just like to plug in and play, but sometimes you gotta grin and bear it, and do the not so fun stuff before you get into the fun stuff. So there's that. The bonuses, you're gonna actually get some bonuses here that comes with the product on top of the bonuses I'm gonna be given. So you get the legal page generator, e-cover creator, sales graphic products, and that'll be good for creating the thumbnails for your videos, or even the slide backgrounds. So there will be that. So what you're gonna do to get started will be to, once you have all this done and set up, you're gonna come to find products, and keep in mind everything it's going to show you how to use this whole thing right here. I'm just giving you a brief rundown. So to really learn how to utilize this, you're going to want to watch the training and go through that. So now you have access to all these products here. So what you'll do is you will just come down and you will pick a product. So we'll just say, you know, Easy Sketch Pro. So this will go to the affiliate page. That's where you go and you will request your link. And then once you have your link and approved on that, you can check out the sales page and all that. You will go over here to create the video, and now you can mess with the video, the background. You can use your a custom one if you have, you know, if you have a picture of a sunset or something that you know, money or anything like that, you can use that. But to keep this simple, we'll just we'll do that color there, and then you can pick your audio, and you know, you have all these to choose from here. So we'll just do we'll go with net. So there you have your music, and then you'll have your content over here. This is what's going to show up on the slides, and then you can pick your font. So it's pretty much that simple. Then you'll just click generate slides, and you're going to wait for it to generate. So it's going to be 30 seconds to a couple minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and pause this video here, and I'll restart it once it loads. Okay, so it just loaded. So now you can see you have all these slides to work with. This is what's going to show up on your video. So what you're going to do is you're going to go through here, and you can delete the ones you don't want. You can go through and you can edit them. So you can click here, and you know, if you don't like what it says, you can go and you can move it around, and until you like how it looks. You can change the background, and then when you're done with that, you will go go back to that, and you can even delete them here. So you say you don't want this one, you can just delete it, click OK, and you do that until you have it all set up the way you want it. And as soon as you're done with that, you just come down here, you're going to click Save Changes, and then it's going to generate the video for you. And that's pretty much it. That's just how simple that is. You know, it takes no more than 10 minutes to get it all set up. Once that's done, we'll go over and you can upload it to YouTube. So I will show you how to do that as soon as this loads. Okay, so it just generated the video. Next step is you can preview it here, and then you can download it here if you want to download it and optimize it yourself, or you can go here and upload it to YouTube directly using this software. So what you'll do, you'll just go here and you'll find the category, which would be, we'll just say, keep it short, we'll just, there you go, how to, and then put the keyword here, so it'll be like Easy Sketch Pro, and you can use here's all the keywords that's gonna rank for, and see it's got Yahoo and Bing as well. You'll put your affiliate link here. That's very important. And then all your social media, your so if you want to do like Twitter or Facebook, put that there. Your YouTube channel link goes there, and then you can insert the text of the slide into the description if you want. And once you have all that set up, you will just click generate, and then upload. So that's pretty to the point, super simple, and that's pretty much it. Once you're done with that, you're just gonna click upload. You're ready to go. So, like I said, it's perfect for people that are, you know, just getting started with video, want to get into video, and you know, want to start cranking out their own videos, and are kind of shy to get in front of the camera. So work perfectly for you. So be sure to snag this if this resonates with you. I will have a further review below that has my bonuses and where you can purchase this. So click the link below to access that. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care.